Hey guys, back with yet another Zippo unboxing. I hope you guys aren't getting tired of them. This is just a regular high polish chrome with SB. I don't know what SB is, so if you know, leave it down in the comments for me. And thank you for your help. So I'll go ahead and just open it. There it is. $24.95. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. So, the bottom stamp is F12, which is 6/12, so that's June 12th, so just last month. And it still has the orange sticker, onion, on it. So, and they kind of placed it off center, but that's okay. That's okay, as long as it's on there. And you can tell this one definitely picks up fingerprints. This is all brass. And the unique thing about this one, about the brass ones, are on a regular Zippo. I honestly don't want to lay it on there and scratch it up. But on a regular Zippo, it's indented right there. Okay, and here it's just completely flat. You can see the lip right there, and this one is just completely flat. So that is the new Zippo, just to add to the collection. And I actually like this. I like the brass. So this one will just go right back into the box. I'll clean it off here, and it'll go into the box. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. There definitely will be more. And, like I said, thanks for watching.